These don't lock either, those three. The only one that locks is the knife. Hey guys, Brad here, and today's review is going to be on a multi-tool by Dewalt. This is the MT16. Now before we get into that, make sure you subscribe, hit that notify bell, and give me a thumbs up if you like the video. And I'd love to hear comments as always, so please leave some comments down below. So I've had one of these for a long time. This is a new one, so we're going to open this up and take a look at it. They're pretty handy to have, multi-tools. You know, if you're into carpentry, or basically even if you own a car, I would say get a multi-tool, because you could keep it in there and they're just really, really handy to have. So this thing, okay, there we go. So just on first look at it, it's got a spring in it, so when you pull it together, it wants to open right back up, which is kind of nice. We've got pliers. We've got some cutters inside here. What else do we have? If we close it, that's about the size right there. And I'll give you a measurement on that. So we're looking at about 3 5/8 long and 1.5 inches wide. All right, so pretty standard size for a multi-tool. But inside we've got a little knife with a serrated edge. Pretty sharp. This is a pretty sharp knife to have. And then, gotta tell you, I don't remember how to close this. Oh. It's a learning experience, guys.
See that knife?
Oh, I see it right there. So inside, they're all a little different, but inside there's this little bar. You got to push that to collapse the knife back in, okay? Then we've got a little ruler here, 2-inch ruler. Handy. Bottle opener. Little screwdriver. You could use this to pry paint cans open if you wanted to. And then we've got ourselves a can opener, and again a smaller little flat edge screwdriver. Okay, so that's everything on this side. These don't lock either, those three. The only one that locks is the knife on this side. So let's flip it over. Let's take a look. We've got, this is basically just a screwdriver. Kind of redundant, you know. If we look at this other side, where we could use some of these as screwdrivers, and that's a screwdriver. I mean, they could have made this maybe into a chisel or an awl or something like that. Just my thoughts, guys. We've got Phillips screwdriver here. A little ring. I honestly don't know what this is for. Maybe for a lanyard. We'll have to read the package. See what it says. Got to read instructions. All right. And then we've got some scissors. Let's give these a test. This is cardboard, so. They work. They're not the greatest, but they work. Now let's take a look, see if I can find out what this little round doohickey is. I'm thinking, yeah, carabiner, lanyard, that's what they're calling it. Right there. So you just leave that out and you put a string on it or whatever so you can carry it around. But, you know, it's handy to have. It'd be a good present if you're looking for presents for people for Christmas. But it's made by Dewalt. It's decent. It's no Leatherman. Straight up, honest opinion. This if you're going to choose between a Leatherman like Wave, which is my favorite, which is around, I don't know, 150 bucks, maybe 200 bucks, somewhere in that range. I don't know, Canadian, American, I don't know. I'll leave a link down below for that one. But that is a serious tool compared to this DeWalt. This is just sort of a thing you chuck in a box, toolbox, maybe in the back seat of your car or something like that. And it's just kind of there to get you out of a jam. But I personally don't carry this around with me. I do keep one in my truck, and I was given this other one, and I mean, they're handy, but I'm more of a Leatherman guy. I think you can pick these up for like around 20 bucks or something. I'm not entirely sure. I'll check, and we'll leave a link down below. But yeah, they are handy. They're decent. They're just not Leatherman quality, so be aware. But yeah, I'd still buy one, you know, just to have kicking around. Can't hurt. And that way, if you do lose it or it breaks, you're not losing a serious tool. It's just something that's kind of replaceable and not really a big deal if you lose it. So that is my 2 cents on this little DeWalt multi-tool, guys. All right, if you'd like to review, please leave me a thumbs up, subscribe, hit that notify bell, and until next time, keep on crushing it. We'll catch you later.